feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Knuckle cracking happens when gas bubbles in your joint fluid rapidly collapse, causing that familiar popping sound. It's generally harmless and doesn't lead to arthritis, but excessive cracking can irritate your joints or soft tissues, so occasional cracking is safe. But if you experience pain or swelling, see a doctor.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.